Hello, hi, my name is Victoria Dalla and I'm your tech mentor. Today I would like to tell you how CIA can help you write more secure software. Before I start, let me just say that there will be no central intelligence agency in this video, because the only spies I like to talk about are Spice Girls. I'm very proud of this joke, and please let me know if in the comments down below if it worked, or are you just too young to remember Spice Girls. In the CIA triad, C stands for confidentiality, I for integrity, and A for availability. The idea here is that every threat can be assigned to one of these categories. Now I will explain a little bit more what confidentiality, integrity, and availability means, and I will share some examples of threats. When we talk about confidentiality, we want secrets be secret, right? So a threat to confidentiality would be me reading your emails, or someone listening to a very private conversation that you have with someone else and you don't know that you are listened to. Integrity ensures that information is accurate, complete, and free of modifications, or even protected from modification. Possible threats here are: I can go and write an email as you, or I can delete some emails that are yours. Another one would be someone goes to your website and puts some malicious input into one of the forms and everything is deleted. Availability, the ability to keep your product working and functioning. An obvious threat to availability is DDoS, so distributed denial of service attack. But also think about availability threats that we as software engineers produce. Like, for example, think of data migration that would lock database for a couple of minutes and no one can read from this database. Another one would be relying on third-party service and not thinking about what can go wrong with them. And this is what happened a few weeks back with AWS that suffered from a partial outage, and with it many websites were unavailable. Now you know what CIA triad is about. But how can you use it? Why is it so important? So, as a software engineer, you sometimes probably think, oh, how can I make my website more secure? So you can use CIA triad by asking CIA questions. So how can confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the thing that I'm building, how could they be broken? What are endangered? For confidentiality, the questions would be: who can see this resource? How do we store credentials? Do we put sensitive data into our logs? For integrity, who can create, update, and remove this resource? Do we have a way to see a potential malicious actor destroying a significant piece of data? How do we react to a malicious actor who sends malicious input in one of the forms? The questions for availability: is this endpoint rate limited? What would happen if an external product that we rely on was unavailable? These are only examples, right? But it's a beautiful and simple, powerful tool that will allow you to write more secure software and to design more secure software. What is also amazing about it, I think, is that you can discuss it on the level of your user story and translate those answers to those questions into acceptance criteria. Or you can discuss it on the level of the whole project that you're working on and have like a threat modeling if you will. I hope this video will inspire you to work on your security mindset. Let me know in the comments what is the biggest challenge when it comes to security for you. I'm very curious about your experience, and I hope that we can learn something from each other. Thanks again. Please remember to like it, share it, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye! Fuck.